Wow. Wow. Hello guys, I'm putting my shoes on right now because we're going for mushroom hunting with my partner's family. And I hope we will have a good hunt today. See you later. I will show you. Ready. Andito na kami sa area ng mushroom hunting. And nag-start na kaming maghanap ng mushroom dito. Kasama namin ngayon yung mommy and daddy niya. So, pareho sila naghahanap ng mushroom. And right now, tinatry ko ding maghanap. Kaya lang mas madalas yung dad niya makahanap ng mushroom. I think most of the edible mushrooms are white color. So, yung mga poisonous is color red. Akala ko madali lang maghanap. Pero I think yung mushroom hunting starts early autumn. And then, nag-end siya early November. So, I think hindi na ganun kadami yung mushroom today. So, medyo late na. So, I'm trying to find one. Kaya lang wala akong makita. Okay. Meron sila nakita ngayon. Oh. Yay! Edible siya. Edible mushroom. Wow! Wow! This is big. Wow! I got it right. Four. So we got 4. Wow. Sa part na to maraming moss. So it's like in a movie. Look at that. Merong isa dito. Ang cute niyang tingnan. Kaya lang hindi siya edible. Ang cute. Para siyang home for elf. Cute. And ito pa. Iba-ibang klase ng mushroom. Ang cute. Yung iba naman dito, kinakain daw siya ng snails. Ito pa yung isang klase ng mushroom nila. Color white, pero hindi siya edible. Ayan, ang dami pa dito. Super poisonous. Very dark red. Sa totoo lang, yung pinakamagandang mushroom dito is yung poisonous. Kung ano yung pinakamaganda, yun ang poisonous. O, diba? Poisonous. Naalala ko guys, dito yung yung horror movie sa Philippines. Yung kapag nandito ka sa forest, yung tipong maliligaw ka, mae-engkanto. Ayun. Yung hindi ka na makakabalik pa ulit sa pinanggalingan mo. Kasi kukunin ka na ng engkanto. So, ganun yung feeling dito ngayon. Okay, meron isa dito. Mas malaki siya. Wow. Wow, yung partner ko nakahanap. Wow. Kaya lang may kagat siya ng mga snails. Pero this is still good, right? Still good. Oh, laki niya. Ito yung pinakamalaki so far. Expert yung daddy ng partner ko maghanap nitong mushroom. Kagaya nito, may nakita agad siya na 3. I think ito yung mas dominant or kalimitan na nakikita namin na mushroom. Ah. Yung daddy niya ang nakahanap nito. Okay, this is edible. Let's get it. Ay! Sorry! Ay! Oh my god! It's like slimy. It slipped on my hand. Oh my god. Sorry. So, before namin siya ilagay sa basket, nililinis muna namin siya. Tinatanggal lang namin yung edge. Yung pinaka-root. So, like this. O, diba? Feeling expert. Wow! Ang laki niya! Wow! This is big! Amazing! Amazing! Hindi ko siya makuha. So, sobrang laki. Wow! Wow! Nahanap ng dad nila. Wow! So big! And this part is green. Wow. So this is edible. Oh. Perfect. Masarap sa pakiramdam na makahanap ka ng ng mushroom, lalo na yung mga malalaki. So, super exciting. This is our harvest. Nice. Let's go. Pauwi na kami. Hello guys! So, kakarating lang namin ngayon galing sa mushroom hunting. And kasama nga namin yung parents nung partner ko. Sila yung sumama sa amin. Kasi mas sila yung nakakaalam kung ano yung mga kailangan na i-harvest na mushroom. Sila yung mas expert. Kasi before, kapag nag-hunt sila ng mushroom, lumalabas sila buong family. So ngayon, nagpunta kami sa para siyang may nadaanan kami isang village, and then after that, dun kami sa mismong forest. I think it's 30 minutes from our apartment, and ayun, nagstay din kami dun for 1 hour to hunt for mushroom. And then marami din kami nakuha. Hindi namin napuno yung basket, pero madami din namin nakuha. And then, I think 4 kinds of mushroom yung na-collect namin. And then, yung iba kasi mga poisonous. And then, yung mga red, yun yung mga poisonous. And then, meron din namang ibang mga mushroom, iba-ibang klase, pero hindi siya yun kinakain ng mga taga dito. Ayun. Dito sa Central Europe, chine-cherish nila talaga yung mushroom hunting. Sa Philippines, meron din naman tayong mga mushroom, especially during rainy season. Kasi yun yung best time for harvesting mushroom. Kaya lang kasi, hindi practiced sa Philippines yung ganitong harvesting. And I think based dun sa na-research ko, hindi documented sa Philippines kung ano-ano yung mga different kinds of mushroom. But of course, we have kabute, yun yung general idea of the mushroom. And then, meron tayong tenga ng daga. Yun yung, I think yun yung madalas na ginagamit sa cooking. Ayun. And then, dito sa Central Europe, practice nila talaga yun. Yun yung way to spend time with family and then to connect with nature. Ayun. Tsaka, of course, ginagamit nila para lutuin. And then today, magpapahinga lang din ako and then lulutuin namin yung yung half ng mushroom na nakuha namin. Siguro, ang gagamitin namin is egg scrambled and then half of it gagawin naming cream of mushroom pasta. Ipapakita ko sa inyo mamaya kung ano yung lulutuin namin. See ya! Okay, so what I will do right now is to clean all of this mushroom. I-rinse ko siya ng water and yung half nito is gagamitin ko for scrambled egg and the other half is for cream of mushroom pasta with pork. So, yan. Pero the rest, siguro kapag nagluto ako ngayon ng scrambled egg, yung iba, isa-store ko muna sa freezer. Ayun. And nilalagay ko siya sa plastic. Okay, so let's start. Okay, so luto na ang ating mushroom and then let's put it in the plate. Okay, so let's try the mushroom. And I'm pairing it with bread. Okay, let's try. Ang init. So good. Wybornie. I love it. Yummy. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.